Hi, Ziggy back again from STREAMLINE. We have another vehicle available for sale, fully fitted, ready to go. It's a 2021 Peugeot Expert. It's brand new. It's the 2-litre blue HDI and it's got the 1400 kg payload. Let's have a look. So with this one being the professional spec, you do get some nice features. It's got Apple and Android CarPlay, cruise control, air conditioning, 6-speed manual gearbox. It's the 120 horsepower variant and you've got the half leather interior as well. Let's have a look what's in the back. So this one's fully fitted with a Bravo 650. It's a RODI and it's a twin operator. You've got the LED lighting on a toggle switch, stainless steel pole holders, Line-X flooring. Underneath the van you have your external van ports. Your first port is your water inlet. You've got your wastewater, then you've got operator 1 and operator 2. Let's have a look on the side door. So as I say, Bravo 650 RODI, nice simple setup. You've got both your controllers, your inline TDS meter, your pumps and a pressure washer takeoff all on the side. Just behind the tank here you have your twin ledger batteries and split charge system. If you have any questions or want to know any more information on this van, just give us a call or send us an email. Thanks for watching.